Okay, so those are the two for that one. And then the last one that we have is the highly proficient. And this is where you've got your x, y, and z variables, okay? So remember that you have three equations. We number them 1, 2, and 3. The idea is to see if any of them have the same variable. So this is y and z, this is x and z. So I can't put those two together and eliminate something because I could eliminate z, but then I would end up with a y and an x left, okay? And then it's going to be easier if I put 1 and 2 together. So if I put 1 and 2 together, 1 and 3 together, and if I eliminate z, so 2y plus 2z equals negative 18. And then I have x minus 5y plus z equals 15. To eliminate z, I have to multiply by a negative 2. Okay, so 2y plus 2z equals negative 18. Negative 2x plus 10y minus 2z equals negative 30. Okay, so now we can add these up. And I have an x and a y. So the reason why we did that is eliminate z with equation 1 and 3, because now I'm going to do equation 2 and 3. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to eliminate z. So to get rid of z, I have to multiply by negative 5. Okay, and then this becomes negative 5x, positive 25y, negative 5z equals 15 times 5 is negative 75. Okay, so now the z's will cross off, and we're left with negative 8x plus 25y equals negative 100. I always call this equation 4 and equation 5 because now I'm going to put 4 and 5 together. And I'm going to eliminate either x or y. I think in this case I'm going to do x because I can multiply by a negative 4. So we get 8x minus 48y equals positive 192. And then negative 8x plus 25y equals negative 100. So when I stack those up, the x's cancel out. When I add the y's, I get negative 23y, and that will equal 92. So 92 divided by 23 is 4. So we get y equals negative 4. Okay, so we put two equations together, eliminated z, two different equations, eliminated the same variable, which was z, and then our new equations 4 and 5, we put them together and solved for one of the variables. So we got y equals 4. So now that I know y is 4, I'm going to plug that number back into my new equation, either 4 or 5, okay? And so if I put that in here, let's do it in 4. So I have negative 2x plus 12 times negative 4 equals negative 48. So what you'll notice here is you have a negative 48 and a negative 48. So negative 2x equals 0, and we get x equals 0. So now that I know x and y, I'm going to plug those in to get z. Okay, x is 0, probably pretty easy to go into equation 2. So I've got negative 3 times 0 is nothing, plus 5z equals negative 25, and z is negative 5. Now, don't forget to write your answer as x, y, and z. Okay?